So this video of the rear brake install is going to be pretty straightforward. I'm not going to do any talking because it's pretty much the same as the front, so I'm not really going to need to do much explaining because there's plenty of YouTube videos online of how to do this. So before we start this video off, as always, please subscribe, leave a like or a comment if you like my videos, and I appreciate you for watching. So I am going to do a little talking. I did the front brakes a couple of weeks ago and they've been working fine, so I'm going to go ahead and do the back, which are actually a bit bigger than the regular RSX brakes, which I didn't know. I thought they were the same, but somebody in the comments pointed it out to me, so I guess that's a good thing. Because they're a little bit bigger and they're also aluminum, they're going to give you a little better braking and some weight saving, so why not do it? They do use the stock RSX rotors and pads, so we're good on that. We don't have to do any special modifications. I'm gonna reuse the brake lines until I can get stainless steel ones. I'm pretty much done with the left side. Only thing left is to do the right side, and then I'm gonna bleed the brakes. So both sides are now done. What I'm doing right now is bleeding the brakes.